Hello and welcome back to the Soundstore YouTube channel. If you're an Apple TV user and you're experiencing problems like apps freezing, I'm going to show you how to solve those problems today. So if you have an app that's frozen, let's just pretend that Sky Sport is frozen. What you're going to do is you're going to double tap the TV screen icon on the remote control, and then all you're going to do is simply swipe up with remote control to close the open app. Now, if this doesn't resolve the problems that you're having with your Apple TV, then you might need to restart it. How do you restart your Apple TV? Well, you need to go down to Settings, open up Settings, go down to System, and then go down to Restart. And your Apple TV is now restarted. And your Apple TV has now been restarted. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to see more future videos, or share with your friends, and we'll have more great content along soon.